An administrative law judge in California has ruled that Tesla Inc's marketing practices regarding its autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) systems are misleading and recommended sanctions against the company and its operations in the state. Last Tuesday, California Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) Director Steve Gordon revealed in a press conference that the court recommended a 30-day suspension of Tesla's license to sell and manufacture vehicles in California, as reported by Business Insider. This ruling stems from a decision proposed by Judge Juliet E. Cox on November 21st, regarding a lawsuit filed by the California DMV earlier this year. The lawsuit examined whether Tesla misled consumers in marketing its autonomous driving features. The DMV concluded that the use of the terms autopilot and full self-driving had the potential to mislead the public. In its marketing materials, Tesla describes the FSD system as a technology designed to travel short and long distances without any action from the driver. However, during the hearing, Tesla's attorney, Matthew Benedetto, acknowledged that current vehicles with full self-driving capabilities are not capable of driving themselves. The judge's draft decision has been submitted to the DMV for review, but has not yet been made public and will not be officially released until December 22nd. However, the DMV decided not to pursue a production permit suspension, opting instead to suspend sales permits for 90 days, to give Tesla time to adjust its marketing practices and replace the use of the term autopilot in all promotional materials. We want to be fair and give them a chance to find a solution following the administrative law judge's ruling, Gordon said. Last year, Tesla acknowledged that its full self-driving system is not a Level 4 autonomous system, adding the word supervised to its official designation. According to SAE International standards, systems like Tesla's FSD and GM's Super Cruise are categorized as Level 2, which still require the driver to be alert and actively engaged. Level 3 systems and above are considered fully autonomous, where the vehicle can control itself under certain conditions, although the driver must still be ready to take over control when requested. Mercedes-Benz Drive Pilot is currently listed as a Level 3 system according to J.D. Power. Meanwhile, robotaxi service providers like Waymo, Tesla Robotaxi, and Zoox are classified as Level 4, as their vehicles are capable of navigating without driver input and do not require constant human supervision. The California DMV first filed charges against Tesla in July 2022 for allegedly making misleading statements regarding autopilot and FSD, even threatening to revoke Tesla's dealer and manufacturing licenses in the state. On December 16th, Judge Cox formally ruled that Tesla had engaged in deceptive marketing of autopilot and full self-driving, siding with the California DMV. The judge recommended a 30-day suspension of sales and manufacturing licenses, but the DMV adopted the decision with modified sanctions. In the proposed ruling, the judge wrote that a reasonable consumer would likely assume a vehicle with full self-driving capability could operate safely without the driver's full attention. This belief was deemed technologically and legally flawed, making the full self-driving designation misleading. Tesla was given 60 days to correct any marketing claims deemed misleading or confusing. Failure to do so will result in a 30-day license suspension. In response to the ruling, Tesla stated that the decision was a consumer protection order regarding the use of the term autopilot, and emphasized that Tesla vehicle sales in California would continue uninterrupted.